I like this cover image, but there's one I like better. Here it is. All I have to do is drag it from the tray onto the page. In this case, I'll drop it onto the existing image to replace it. There, that's great. Next, I'd like the image to be taller. If I hover at the edge of the images, I get this blue divider line, which I can drag to resize both elements on the page. As the image enlarges, the text block shrinks to accommodate it. I'd also like to zoom the image some. Clicking on the image shows the image control palette. The Move and Zoom tool is selected by default, so I can zoom the image with this slider and simply drag the image around the frame until it's just right. Click anywhere outside the image to deselect the box.